My name is Todd Stanley, and I'm the IT Director for the Cartwright Companies. As Transpo Services, we supply all of the technology services to the company. The primary business of the company is in moving military members all over the world. The responsibility of my team is to supply all of the network and technology services to Cartwright Companies. We've nearly completely revamped and rebuilt all of the technology infrastructure within the company. What we have found with Cisco more recently is a much more accommodating product line for small businesses and pricing to match that, for the product lines and for the functions and the services that we're looking for.
Hi, my name is John House. I'm the Senior Network Administrator for Transpo Services. I deal with all the VMware, Cisco UCSs, the Cisco Umbrella, all of those products, and we combine those together to make a real fundamental foundation for the company. As far as our network layout, it starts off with the Cisco Meraki firewall. It hooks into our Cisco 3560 switches. Here, they turn around and do all the routing for the entire network and all the different VLANs for the Cisco UCS host, and then all the different stacks of switches I have throughout the building. Each one of the 10 gig switches here connect up with two 10 gig connections going to each one of the stacks that we have throughout the building. And these stacks allow our users to connect their PCs into 1 gig connections throughout the building. And so we'll have different VLANs in each one of the stacks. Cisco Umbrella, and it basically deals with all of our end users going to certain websites throughout the internet that may have malware, ransomware, etc. like that. It blocks them from that.